How to increase FPS on Roblox Mobile. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to easily increase your frame rate on Roblox Mobile. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox and make sure that you're logged in. And if you head over to your settings on Roblox, if you join any game and head over to settings, there you will see an option for your graphics. But besides that, what you can do is increase the frame rate from your phone. So what that means is if you're using a Samsung phone, you will have something called Game Hub like this, and if you open it you will see all of the available games on your phone. And from there, what you can do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner and find the game booster. You can even access game booster from in-game. So here I'm on my Roblox, and at the bottom I see this little icon right here. Now here I can turn on priority mode, which will mute incoming calls and notification except alarms. So if I just tap on the settings menu, it will open up my game booster. Now as you can see here, this option is enabled, which says save power during touch protection. So it will reduce the frame rate for the games while touch protection is active. So if I just turn it off, then that means my frame rates won't be reduced, and I can have seamless and smooth gameplay. That is it for today's video guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.